Hello everyone. So we're going to start with question number 27, which says we have to find a product formed by the reaction of the following equation. So we have been given an equation. So we can see we have three triple bonds and a benzene ring, two oxygen elements. So along in the presence of heat, Hi is reacted with this compound. So here we can see when Hi in the presence of heat is reacted with this compound, so it dissociates and it breaks the chain from here, and H gets attached to it, so H brings plus sign along with it, so it has extra plus with it in the rest of the chain in OH here also. Here it exchanges O with I, and here also, so the resulting chain will be like this, as you can see. So according to this, answer number 3 is the correct, because after reaction with H and I, H occupies and combines with O, and I takes the other place here. Thank you everyone.